Booking a meeting from the Evoko Liso panel is incredibly simple. Using the 12-hour clock, it's very easy for me to pick a meeting start time and duration simply by clicking on the area of the clock in which I want my meeting to start and by selecting the area of the clock in which I want that meeting to take place. To do this, in this example, I'm going to book a meeting from 6 till 7. I can do this by clicking on the clock and using the drag sliders to cover the portion of the clock I want, in this case up till 7 o'clock, and then clicking OK to confirm my changes. At this point we're presented with a pin screen, and this is what the Evoko Liso will use to identify who is at the panel and therefore can display their name once that meeting is booked in. There's two ways this can be done. This can either be done by entering a 4-digit pin, that can be changed up to between 2 and 9 digits, or alternatively using an RFID card. I'm going to use both examples here. The first I'm going to use the pin code and put in my pin, which is 1001. In a few seconds that meeting will be booked on the panel like so. If I then want to use RFID, which is a slightly quicker method of booking a meeting, I can click on the area of the clock. I'm going to go for 3 o'clock this time till 4. Clicking OK, and using an RFID card, I can hold that up there and book that meeting in.